Hi, hello and welcome to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. Today is yet another interesting and a useful organizing video. Wardrobe organization for ladies. How much ever space we have, we still fall short of space in our wardrobe, including me. So I'm going to share with you some efficient organizing system which I follow in my wardrobe. So let's get started. For wardrobe organization for men, please check the description box for the video link. Also check the home organizing playlist for other home organizing videos. This is my empty wardrobe, which has a hanger rod on top with one shelf. There are two drawers in the middle and a shelf next to that and a pull-out drawer at the bottom with two basic regular openable doors. Now let's see how I am organizing this space. So here is a bunch of clothes which I store in my wardrobe. Always declutter your wardrobe before organizing them. After decluttering my unused and unwanted clothes, I have segregated them into different categories as per my convenience. This whole bunch of clothes is what I am going to organize in this one single cupboard. I have segregated my clothes as casual wear, bottom wear, top wear, kurtis, leggings, home wear t-shirts, festive wear kurtis and so on. Before arranging the clothes, I am assessing the space available. As these two shelves on the top is perfect for my height, I am deciding which one to put on top and which one to put in the bottom. First and foremost, I am going to use this kind of an organizer which comes with a cardboard-like pad like this to hold it firmly. This comes in a shape in such a way which is perfect to hold all the Indian folded ironed clothes. I am putting all my kurtis which are ironed and can be easily stacked one above the other. This organizer can hold up to 30 ironed kurtis or tops. In another organizer, I am storing all my casual tops. Storing the ironed clothes like this keeps the clothes intact without slipping down. Now I am going to put both of these in the top shelf. On the extreme right, I am storing few occasionally worn kurti sets which I wear for haldi kumkum or so on. On the next shelf, I am storing all my formal trousers and denims. On the extreme right, I am keeping all the homewear t-shirts which has been folded in the regular way. In the middle, I have all my homewear bottoms such as skirts and palazzos. Next, on the third shelf, I have my homewear tops and kurtis. In this organizer basket, I have stored all my sari blouses along with few sari inskirts. Next, I am using these type of bags which I got when I purchased few new pillows. I am reusing this pillow bag as it has a zip and a nice sturdy handle to hold it. You may also use a regular sari bag to store all your saris. Or alternatively, you can also use bags which you get while purchasing quilts or rajais. I am storing all my cotton and few fancy saris like this which are neatly ironed. This bag can accommodate 12 saris. As I use saris only once or twice in a year, I find storing like this keeps the saris dust free and neat. In the same way, I'm using the other bag to store all the silk sarees. For storing silk sarees, I'm using an old pillow cover here to keep the saree safe and breathable. It is important to keep the silk sarees breathable. You may also use any cotton dupatta for this, post which I will be putting them in the saree bag. You may also use this method to store heavy worked lehengas to keep them protected, dust free and breathable. You may also put a label on each pillow cover to identify which saree is in what. I am storing these sarees in the bottommost shelf. On the right side, I have some extra space to store my winter clothing. As winter has already started, I will be removing my winter jackets from inside and storing them here for easy access. Now I am using this shoe organizer like this. I am hanging this on the door of my wardrobe to store all my leggings. I have folded the legging in a regular way and then I am rolling it and putting it in this pocket. Similarly, you can also use this organizer to store various types of dupattas by rolling them and storing them like this. This organizer has 24 pockets. As this organizer is transparent, it gives me a clear look of all my leggings to easily match with my kurtis. Next, I am using a command hook to hold my daily used sling bag on my wardrobe door. It is important to utilize the wardrobe door space efficiently. Next, I have used two command hooks to hold this plastic laundry basket. I use this basket to just throw any stuff which I don't want to fold, or maybe clothes which I have worn for a very less time which I would like to reuse before washing. I have measured this properly and then hung the basket in such a way that the door closes properly without any hindrance. Next, I am using this honeycomb organizer which comes with this side locks and which is easy to assemble to store all the undergarments. According to the size of the drawer, you may arrange them like this or maybe like this. I am using my bottommost drawer in my wardrobe. There is still more space at the back to store more stuff. In case you use many stoles or scarves, then you may use a hanger like this to hang all of them. You can also use this hanger to hang any kind of belts or so on. As I don't use stoles, I am hanging a dupatta to show you. my organizing system helps me pick up and match my clothes quickly without any confusion and time waste. So that's all guys. I hope you found this video to be useful. Do use these organizing methods and organize your wardrobe also efficiently. If you like this video, don't forget to hit a like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you get immediately notified whenever I upload a video. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching and bye bye.